Chicken tava serves 4 persons.
Γεια σας! Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you a very easy dish which is actually magnificent. It's chicken tava. It's a Cypriot peasant dish. It's a one-pot meal which makes it a very easy recipe to prepare. All ingredients are placed in layers in a clay pot. Tava is a method of slow cooking which is very well known in the Mediterranean region. However, the most important component in this recipe is this. It's a clay pot, which is called tava in the Cypriot language. This dish is very similar to the Greek word Yastra or the Moroccan Tagine, but of course without the conical top. But of course any type of clay pot with a lid would do. Tava is usually prepared with lamb, but today I opted for a lighter version, so I'm going to do a chicken tava. But of course if you prefer lamb, use exactly the same method, exactly the same recipe, just add 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. I'm sure you will enjoy this amazingly easy recipe.
Ingredients: about 1 kilo, 2.25 pounds, 8 pieces chicken drumsticks, preferably from free-range chickens. 2 dry sweet onions, medium size. 3 medium-ripe tomatoes. 2 tablespoons tomato paste, tomato puree. 1 tablespoon ground cumin, artisia in Cypriot. 6 to 7 medium potatoes suitable for baking, cut in round slices. Salt and ground pepper. 150 ml or about 2/3 of a cup olive oil in total. Of course, a tava round clay dish 26 cm 10 inches with a lid. Start by pouring some olive oil at the bottom of the dish. Place the chicken drumsticks all around. Use half of the tomato paste to rub it on the drumsticks. Sprinkle half of the cumin on top. Season with ground pepper and salt to taste. Cut the onions in half and then in slices. Lay half of the onion slices on top of the drumsticks. Wash the tomatoes. Grate 2 of them, leaving their skin behind. Reserve 1 tomato. Using a spoon, add half of the grated tomatoes on top of the onions and drumsticks. After you have peeled and cut the potatoes in rounds, wash and place them in a bowl. Add the rest of the grated tomatoes, the rest of tomato paste and the cumin, reserving just a pinch. Season with ground pepper and salt to taste. Drizzle some olive oil as well. Blend all ingredients well. Place potatoes on top of the onions as a new layer, spreading them all around the dish. Add another layer of the rest of onion slices on top. cut the last tomato in half vertically and then in thin slices. Place them on top of the onions as the last layer. To finish this dish, season with salt and ground pepper. Sprinkle the pinch of cumin and a bit more olive oil on top. Place the lid on. Tava is now ready to be baked. Bake chicken tava in a preheated oven, fan at 190 degrees centigrade, 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and slow cook with the lid on for 2 hours. The last 15 minutes into cooking, remove the lid. After 2 hours, remove the tava from the oven. Eat it immediately while still hot. The slow cooking ensures that all the yummy scents of the cumin and onion are infused inside the potatoes and drumsticks. Tava clay pot ensures that the earthy clay scents are permitted in the dish. And removing the lid at the last 15 minutes made the tomatoes crispy and caramelized the onions. Serving suggestion: serve chicken tava in its dish. It makes an impressive centerpiece on your Sunday table. You can serve it with tzatziki or meligeno salata dip and a lot of fresh, warm bread. Serving suggestion: you can also serve chicken tava with a fresh lettuce salad. Beautiful Cyprus. Cyprus tourist info. Petra Touromiou, Rock of the Greek, also known as Aphrodite's Rock, is a sea stag in Paphos, Cyprus. It is located off the shore along the main road from Paphos to Limassol. The combination of the beauty of the area and its status in mythology as the birthplace of Aphrodite makes it a popular tourist location. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel Greek Cooking Made Easy. Check my website for my recipe in text, also in Greek, link on description.